In the wake of torrential rains in China's Yunnan province, a total of 20 individuals have been reported missing. The deluge, which persisted from Thursday night through the early hours of Saturday, brought a staggering 282.4 millimeters of rainfall, according to the information office of Lijiang City. As a consequence of this intense storm, the local Liu River overflowed its banks, submerging numerous residential communities and leading to unprecedented flooding in one particular area. Tragically, Tianping Village bore the brunt of a landslide that inflicted significant damage to the homes of 60 families, resulting in 20 individuals being unaccounted for. In response to this dire situation, local authorities have taken swift action by evacuating residents and implementing traffic controls on inundated roadways. A concerted search effort is currently underway to locate the missing individuals, while authorities are also diligently assessing the economic impact of this devastating disaster.
哇，这老大，已经上来了，已经涌上来了。
Meanwhile, China's mighty Yangtze River has surged beyond its banks, resulting in widespread flooding as heavy rains continue to pummel various regions of the country. This unfolding crisis is posing significant challenges for residents, authorities, and local infrastructure.
妈妈，还好我们从云弄了没下来呀！我天哪！哇！哇！
As the Yangtze River continues to overflow and heavy rains show no signs of abating, China faces a significant and ongoing challenge. The nation's resilience and the effectiveness of its disaster response efforts will be put to the test as it navigates this severe weather crisis. We will continue to provide updates on this developing situation.